A mini metal Rubik's Cube? No, not at all. Instead, lots of little magnets you can just fidget with. Normally you see these things come as balls like this, but you have read my name, right? And this is 27 of them, my favourite number to just play with. But of course, there's loads more. So the first thing to do is to put them into a big kind of like line, either a square or whatever. And then I want to divide that by 3. And then fold that in half, so we have 6 across. So that I can then fold that up. And there you go, that's 216. See you next time. Follow for fidgets.
These are the coolest thing ever.
Broken, you see me empty. Glasses from the bottle in my head and feeling dizzy, but you never fucking listen. Gotta jump to your conclusions. I've been heading in directions where I end up getting bruises. That's what the truth.
Back on the trains with this thing, but this time I bought this one with me. This is much lighter and made of just plastic. Also sent to me by JP Games, so check them out if you want one, I guess. But look how cool this is. Ooh. Hey, remember me? It's me. Hi, me, it's me.
It came! It finally came! The big one.
Your fidget if you scroll, like, comment, share, copy link.